Steven Jack Butala here for Land Academy. Jill and I are in Lien, Colorado, which is in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains in the northwestern part of Denver. And hopefully she can shoot this around here. You can see how amazing it is. We ran into some serious sleet type weather last night when we were walking back to the RV park here. And the last time that I experienced sleet and ice was in Las Vegas, New Mexico. Yes, there's a Las Vegas, New Mexico. At an auction around 2002, maybe 2004. And because, you know, back in that time, it was a land auction. Back in that time, you had to physically show up to the auction at the courthouse and bid on properties that you wanted, which I was, you know, and I did that. I ran all around the country at that time so we could buy these properties and resell them on eBay. Nobody showed up. It was me and a rancher that showed up because of the weather, because of the terrible, terrible weather. So it was the two of us at this entire auction, and we never said a word to each other. He bought the first property. There are probably 80, maybe 80 or so properties in the entire auction, really rural, and most of them in the same area of the county. And we just kind of eyed each other. He took the first property and I took the second one. We never bid against each other, and I bought half of the auction. We were the only two people in the entire auction. And so I walked away with, geez, probably 40 or 50 properties. Probably paid $2 or $3 or $4, maybe $500 each. I don't remember the exact numbers. And she probably netted, I don't remember the exact numbers again, but geez, I bet I netted, you know, hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars by the time we sold them on eBay. So do we do that anymore? No, not at all. Our business model has so dramatically changed since then, but it's a good story. It's a good old school story, and you got to show up for stuff.